Students, today we are going to study about a scalar or dot product of vectors. A scalar or dot product of vectors. The scalar or dot product of any two vectors A and B is denoted by A vector dot B vector and gives the result A vector mod of A vector mod of B vector into cos theta, where theta is the angle between the two vectors A and B vector. Here mod of A and mod of B are the modulus or magnitude of A vector and B vector respectively. Therefore, A vector dot B vector is equal to mod of A vector mod of B vector into cos theta, or A vector dot B vector equal to AB cos theta. The scalar product of two vectors is a scalar quantity. The scalar product of two vectors gives a scalar quantity. Now, geometrical meaning of dot products. What is the geometrical meaning of dot products? Let us see. Let A vector and B vector, let A vector, this A vector and B vector be represented by OA and OB respectively, and the angle between them be theta. This is the angle between A vector and B vector. Now let us draw a perpendicular BM. This BM. Let us draw a perpendicular BM on OA and a perpendicular AN on OB. Now OM equal to B cos theta equal to projection of B vector on OA vector. Similarly, ON is equal to A cos theta, which is the projection of A vector on OB. Now, A vector dot B vector equal to AB cos theta is equal to A within bracket B cos theta. It can also be written as B and within bracket A cos theta. Therefore, A vector dot B vector equal to A multiplied by projection of B vector on A vector equal to B, that is projection of A vector on B vector. So dot product of A vector and B vector can be written as A mod of A vector multiplied by projection of B vector on A vector, and that is equal to mod of B vector multiplied by projection of A vector on B vector. Now, properties of a scalar or dot product. There are some properties of a scalar or dot product, important properties. Let us study some important properties. First property is a scalar product of two vectors obeys commutative law. A scalar product of two vectors obeys commutative law. We know that A vector dot B vector equal to AB cos theta, or A vector dot B vector equal to A multiplied by B cos theta equal, it can be written as B mod of B vector multiplied by A cos theta. Therefore, A vector dot B vector equal to B vector dot A vector. Hence, dot product of two vectors obeys commutative law. The scalar product of vectors obeys distributive law. A scalar product of vectors also obeys distributive law. If A vector, B vector and C vector are the three vectors, then according to distributive law, A vector dot B vector plus C vector equal to A vector dot B vector plus A vector dot C vector. Now let us prove it. Let A vector be represented by OA. Let A vector be represented by OA in the horizontal direction. B is represented by OB. This B vector is represented by OB, which makes an angle alpha, with the horizontal. Yes, and C is represented by BC. This BC represented the C vector, okay, which makes an angle beta, with the horizontal. Now, according to the law of vector addition, OC, this OC vector is the resultant vector of addition of B vector and C vector. Therefore, we can write this R vector equal to OC vector equal to B vector plus C vector. Let the resultant R vector makes an angle theta with the horizontal. Now we draw perpendiculars from the point B, which is the head of B vector, and from the point C, which is the head of C vector, on A vector at the points D and E respectively. We also draw perpendicular from the point B on C at F. From the figure, OE equal to R cos theta equal to projection of R vector on A vector, and OD equal to B cos alpha, which is the projection of B vector on A vector, and DE equal to BF equal to C cos beta equal to projection of C vector on A vector. Now, A vector dot R vector equal to AR cos theta, or A vector dot this R vector can be written as B vector plus C vector equal to A, and this R cos theta is OE, or A vector dot B vector plus C vector equal to A. This OE can be written as OD plus D, or A vector dot B vector plus C vector equal to A. This OD can be written as B cos alpha, and DE can be written as C cos beta, or A vector dot B vector plus C vector equal to AB cos alpha plus AC cos beta, or A vector dot B vector plus C vector equal to A vector dot B vector plus A vector dot C vector. It proves the distributive law of dot product of two vectors. It proves the distributive law of dot product of vectors. Now, another property of scalar product, property number 3, a scalar product of two like unit vector is 1. Here I, j and k, we know that the I, j and k are the unit vectors along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. The two like vectors, the dot product of two like vectors, I dot I, that is equal to j dot j, that is equal to k dot k, equal to 1 into cos 0 degree. It is 1 because the unit vector has magnitude 1, therefore 1 into cos 0 degree, and the angle between them is 0 degree. Therefore 1 into cos 0 degree equal to 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. Now, fourth property, a scalar product of two unlike vectors, unlike unit vector, is 0. That is, I dot j is equal to j dot k is equal to k dot I equal to 1 into cos 90 degree, because the angle between them is 90 degree. So 1 into cos 90 degree is cos 90 is 0, therefore 1 into 1 into 0, that is equal to 0. So a scalar product of two unlike unit vector is 0. Now a scalar product of two vectors written in terms of unit vectors. Suppose a vector equal to axi plus ayj plus azk and b vector equal to bxi plus byj plus bzk. So a vector dot b vector can be written as axi plus ayj plus azk multiplied bxi plus byj plus bzk, or a vector dot b vector is equal to axi dot bxi plus byj plus bzk plus ayj within bracket bxi plus byj plus bzk plus azk within bracket bxi byj plus bzk. Now applying the property of the product of unit vectors I, j, k, we get a vector dot b vector equal to ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. A vector dot b vector equal to ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Now example of a scalar product. There are some physical quantity which is the product of a scalar product of two vectors. Some of them is mechanical work, power, electric potential. Etc. etc. are the examples of a scalar product of two vectors.